Stephen Bannister here from Condesa Co Lab, green coffee importers and partners to the Australian coffee industry. Just wanted to send you this video as a quick shout out to say thank you so much for the strategic day that you ran for us yesterday. The whole team got a huge amount out of it, and we really know where we're heading as a team at the same time. So thank you, and look forward to continuing our relationship as we build the strategy for keeping Australians caffeinated. Thank you.